Welcome back, heroes. This is Sub-Zero back in another video just for all of y'all. I know my posts and just my uploads have been consistent, and I've been not doing a good enough job for you guys. I really want to make sure on my calendar I have 3 specific days for posts for you guys for my channel moving forward. So I want you guys to know that moving forward, posts are going to be on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, y'all. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. That's where you guys are going to be expecting videos from me. I want you guys to hold myself accountable. I'm going to hold myself accountable, and everyone that's watching this hold me accountable. I really want to start being more consistent for you guys. YouTube is definitely something I have a big passion for. I love it, and I love all the engagement and everybody that comments. I try and get back to everybody. The last few weeks I've definitely just been so busy with a lot going on with work, personal life, just everything going on. I did get my 2nd vaccine shot, so I am fully vaccinated. I have some exciting news just for you guys. You guys are gonna hear it first before Instagram. I want my YouTube content to also have some exclusive with you guys for signing up, for subscribing and following the channel, so you guys are the first that's going to be hearing this. I actually got my SUBARU WRX back, and we are doing a full change of plans, new type of build. It's gonna be just, oh my gosh, I am so excited to tell you guys what is next to come with the channel for me and the Subaru that's coming to the channel. If you guys like this video, hit the like button. If you want to follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. This video isn't going to be as exciting, I guess, as my POV videos, my installs, my mods, but I want you guys to know just everything that's going on as far as the build coming up, everything that's going to be coming and moving forward with this channel, and what you guys can expect in the next month, 2 months, year, and everything to come from there, guys. Anyway, I'm not going to hold you guys too long. Let's get to the video. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, before we start the video, shout out to Brom Racing, and one more time, shout out to Brom Racing, guys. Those are the racing seats that are in my Subaru WRX. They're so comfortable. I absolutely love them. They're really great as far as the quality, as far as just the materials, as far as the comfort, the performance, and overall the looks, man. So definitely, if you guys need some seats for your Subarus, I have a video of the seats. I'm going to put that link above here. Brom does a great job of just kind of giving guys everything all in one for your Subarus. One more time, y'all, this video is sponsored by Brom Racing. Alright, so man, where to start, guys? Where to start? Alright, so I want you guys to know my videos are authentic. You know, I post the good and the bad. I post everything. Why? Because I want you guys to see the experiences that I have. I want you guys to learn from them. I want you guys to be able to understand just different things and get that information, because information and knowledge is key and power, guys. So yes, guys, I did sell my Subaru. Was not clickbait at all. I did sell it. Did not have the vehicle for a week and a half. The car was gone. The car was sold. Shortly after selling, I was starting to have a little bit of a change of heart, and the buyers also were having a change of heart as well. Now, as you guys do know from my previous videos, my Subaru WRX does have modifications to it, and you are driving a modified vehicle. So with that, there are some things driving a modified vehicle and owning a modified vehicle that you really have to be all in for if you want to drive that vehicle, especially out here in California. So the buyers of my vehicle were new to California, so they didn't fully understand just, you know, the regulations of California. And as a seller, you know, I can't assume everybody knows everything that goes into that. So I do take a little bit of responsibility of that as well. So if you guys are selling or buying a sports car or modified vehicle in California, just make sure you guys understand exactly the rules and the regulations and everything that goes about that, and if you guys want to go through with it. Long story short, guys, the buyers of my vehicle didn't want to have to deal with a modified vehicle in California, and I completely understand. And as the seller, I realized that I need to have a Subaru on my channel, and it's because of you guys and your commitment, all the comments and everyone that's reached out to me, letting me know my Subaru videos, my content, just what I mean to the Subaru community. I can't go back on that, or you guys. So yes, I was talking about originally selling the Subaru to get either the new STI or the last year model STI, but I actually was selling the Subaru because I was going to be buying a GMC 2500 truck, turbo diesel truck. That way I can be able to tow my Corvette to the track. I can do my towing. I could do a lot of my everyday stuff. I can do it for my DJing. There's a lot of stuff that I was going to be able to do with getting a truck. But as I sat back and I thought about it, I realized that I would essentially be turning my back on all of you guys. I would essentially be turning my back on all of the followers and subscribers that have come to my channel, not just for my Corvette videos, but mostly right now for my Subaru content. You guys have been there for me. You guys have watched all my videos. You guys have commented. You spent hours and hours of your personal time essentially coming to my page to support me, and that means so much to me. You guys have no idea. I realized very shortly, even just selling the Subaru and getting the Subaru back, that this is what I meant to have as far as on my channel. I always need to have a Subaru on my channel. I want to be a Subaru ambassador. I want to be someone that you guys can feel is giving you authentic videos. There's not clickbait videos. I'm giving you exactly how I see it, how I feel, and overall my videos, I want you guys to know they are organic. We've passed 16,000 subscribers, y'all. Like, that makes me so happy. Like, I couldn't even imagine getting to 10,000. But yet alone, we're at 16,000. We're still growing this community, and I realize this should be the community page like I talked about. This should be the place to where we all can contribute and build a dream Subaru. So yes, I'm going to go ahead with that build, and we're not going to wait. We're not going to wait to the new Subaru WRX STI. We're not going to wait for a year and a half from now. We're going to do it right here, right now, y'all. So when you guys are seeing this, I am going to be going ahead and starting to build out my Subaru, and I'm going to go ahead and place that deposit and have a fully new, we're not getting used, we're not getting pre-owned, we're not getting sitting on the lot. We are going to build a Subaru WRX STI from the ground up. I'm going to go with configurator. I'm going to build it. I'm going to show you guys, and when I get the vehicle, I'm going to show you just all the crazy things that I have coming for this car. So I have actually already contacted Varis. Shout out to Bulletproof Automotive for giving me a lot of information as far as pricing. We are going to be building an authentic Japanese Varis kit Subaru WRX STI, y'all. And this is going to be our rally Subaru WRX STI. That's right, we're going to be making a full-on hill climb, Gymkhana style Subaru WRX STI, and I need all of you guys to help me. A lot of my followers are very knowledgeable on Subarus, and like I was saying, this build is all about us and all about what we are going to do together. So this week coming up, we're going to be ordering a brand new Subaru WRX STI 2021. This week we're also going to be ordering a Varis kit. It's going to take maybe 4, 5 to 6 months for that kit to get here. But most importantly, y'all, we are not just going to do a regular bolt-on kit. We're going to do a molded kit, painted, paint matched. It's going to be insane. We're going to mold the fenders together, so it will not just be your usual bolt-on bolts, kind of like how my kit was or others that you guys see. We are going to actually mold it together, and it's going to be just insane. Yes, this build is going to cost quite a bit, but it is worth it because, like I said, guys, I owe it to all of you guys. I owe it to just all my supporters, everyone that's watched a single minute of my videos, everyone that's subscribed to my channel, everyone that's liked, everyone that's commented. This is for all of you guys and us as a community. I am blessed to have you guys all support me. You know, I am the biggest black Subaru YouTube content creator in the world, guys. Like, that makes me happy to see so much support that you guys have given me, and I just realized, just overall, I love Subarus. Like I said, I want to be a Subaru ambassador. I want to be someone that you all can look up to as far as getting that content you're looking for. So we're going to have a lot of videos. I had a lot of WRX videos, and now we're going to have a bunch of Subaru WRX STI videos so we can really do a full-on comparison. I had the first year model Subaru WRX 2015, and now I'm getting the last year 2021 Subaru WRX STI, so that way we can truly have a comparison between the WRX and the STI and the model year, so the refinement between the 15 to the 21. And I want you guys to be able to see, I'm going to have the whole generation in this YouTube package right here, guys, right here. So like I said, guys, if you've been watching my videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Make sure you guys follow the channel, hit the like button. Every like, every subscription, every comment counts. So if you guys want to put trash, if you guys want to put great, if you guys want to leave anything, smash the like button, smash the comments. smash the subscribe, hit the notifications bell, because we're gonna have a bunch of stuff coming to this channel, guys. And like I said, I'm gonna start up my Discord. I'm gonna start up a whole bunch of things so that way we can do voting, so we can see exactly what we want for the build, what modifications, what parts, how we're gonna do that. I want that to be done right here, guys. So not just me posting stuff saying I'm gonna do this with the build. I want us all to feel a part of it, and we're all gonna be a part of this build, because this is gonna be the community STI rally, hill climb, just overall build, car show, whatever it's gonna be. I want us all to have a say in it. The plan of why I also wanted to get the SUBARU WRX back is because there are a bunch of parts on that I do want to transfer over to my SUBARU WRX STI as well. You know, I have a bunch of things. Like I said, I pretty much finished that WRX build. So what I want to do is I want to bring some of that to the new one as well. I'm going to go ahead, take it to PK Auto Design. We're going to get the car parted out. I'm going to be selling some parts to you guys. A lot of the performance parts we are going to be selling. Some of the suspension parts we're going to be selling. We're going to be selling a whole bunch of things if you guys want to get or buy any of those things. The wheels, the tires, all of that is going to be up for sale. And then the parts I'm going to be keeping, I'll let you guys know exactly which parts I'm going to be transferring over. But other than that, if you guys are interested in any parts on my SUBARU WRX, yes, we are going to be doing a part out of the car. So go ahead on my Instagram at @subzero_, go ahead and give me a message on there in case if you guys are looking for any of the parts. Go ahead on any of my previous videos as far as the mods I've done or the overview or anything to get an idea, or you can go in the description below. In the description below, guys, I also have all the modifications that I've done on my SUBARU WRX. When I do part out the car, if anyone is also interested in just buying it stock, buying it as it is, but you guys are like, hey, I would love to buy it for this, also hit me up. I'll give you guys some prices of just the car itself. You know, it still has a wrap, it still has a body kit, it still has a whole bunch of stuff, it still has a lot of interior stuff, it still has the seats, it still has a bunch of things. So if you guys are just interested in getting the car itself without the performance parts, without the other parts, I can also do that for you too. So I got an update coming in the next few videos, guys, of me, 1, ordering and buying the SUBARU WRX STI, 2, ordering and putting down and buying the Varis kit. Like I said, both of those are going to take a few months for them to even get processed or get here, so we're going to be in a little bit of time of wait. So because I'm going to have that time of wait about 3-4 months before the car and the kit can get here, I do still want to make content, so that's why I do still want to keep this Subaru, so that way I can still have some content for you guys in the meantime. I'm also going to be going ahead and giving you guys an update on my Corvette C7 Z06 and what's going on with that, why I haven't posted videos on that. Stay tuned for that. Got some other really cool stuff. There's so many videos, guys, but like I said, we're gonna start doing videos Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, guys. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and hold me accountable to that. And I want you guys to know that I am doing this for you guys. I'm doing the Subaru thing for you guys. I do, like I said, I did want to get my truck right now, but I'm holding that off because I want to continue to build the Subaru community. I want to continue to build myself up as a Subaru just consumer, and overall just show my appreciation to all of you guys and everyone that supported and been there for me in these 2.5-3 years I've started my YouTube channel. I want to say personally thank you to everybody. Thank you for staying strong with me through the good and the bad. Like I said, I film everything. Everything here is organic and comes from the heart. If you guys made it to the end of this video, just want to say personally, I appreciate you guys. I thank you guys. And overall, guys, I'm excited. Everyone have a great day. Have a blessed day. Make sure you guys take care of each other. Remember, the world needs more heroes, and we all have the power to be a hero, guys. Everyone be safe. Peace, y'all.